Hello everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel. This is Sadik Hussain and you're watching me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, wherever you are. So basically this video is a response to a question that I usually receive in my DMs, obviously on social media. So question is, so typically there are two questions, so I'll be responding them, both of them in this video. So one is how we can practice UI UX design regularly to sharp our skills, right? And the second question is how we can make our portfolio without clients to show them on our freelance marketplaces and how we can get those clients as well, right? So let's start. I'll be responding this question. I'll be giving you few resources where from you can create your portfolio as well, and you can practice UX UI design regularly to sharp your skill as well. So if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, you can subscribe quickly. So you will be getting the regular videos right here related to UX UI design as well, right? So basically, I'll be giving you few websites. So I'll be listing the URL of these websites in the description of the video. So you can quickly search them and you can create you can practice your UX UI design or general design practice as well, right? So basically the first website is, but yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. It really helps me to create the content as well. So the first website is goodbrief.io. So you have to just type this URL in your search, or maybe you can click on that link right from the description and you will land on this website as well. So this is the website to generate the good design brief randomly. You can choose what type of a brief you want. Either you want like a logo, brand identity, illustration, packaging, billboard, websites, right? So if you are a graphic designer, you can choose any of them. But in case if you want to practice UI UX design, then you have to choose the website as well, right? So by clicking on websites, you then they have another good option, which is industry. What kind of brief or what kind of a client or what kind of a portfolio you want, like the niche or maybe the industry selection is there as well, right? So in case if I'm looking for the fashions websites, I'll click the fashion, right? And I'll start. After choosing these two, I'll select and generate, right? So it basically gives me a details brief. The name, company name is Headspace. What is the company description? And then there's a job description as well. And then they gave me the deadline as well. So being as a UI UX designer or a UI designer or a product designer, I actually need this description or this brief. It is called PRD document. PRD document is basically a detailed document. Then you can bring this description, export it, and bring into the Chat GPT, DeepSeek, whatever the AI platform you're using, either Claude, and ask that platform to create the PRD, like project description document, right? Or project requirement document as well, right? PRD. So that is basically a document which explains each and everything, like few features, few mandatory features, few good to have features, and all those features, right? So you can create PRD document right from this design brief, and you can start practicing any of your portfolio making daily like design make practice as well. So in case if you want to create the travel, I'll click on generate again, and now it this website has created like another job description which is related to uh, the website that is like travel specific, right? So the website name is, the platform name is goodbrief.io. Another platform is fakeclients.com. So this is another website which basically gives us generate. They have few pro briefs as well, so you can choose in case if you want. But they have few free as well. Like in case you want like the UX design brief or UI design brief, it depends whatever the niche you are selecting. So in case if I click on UI and then I'll click on generate brief, so it will create a few brief here as well right at the bottom, and few of them are free, few of them are paid. So obviously I'll start with the freshly dropped UI design, and here they have created like a properly description, and probably they have given you few inspiration as well, In the same, they have given few features as well, right? Few colors inspirations as well, right? And also the typography as well in few UI designs as well. So you have to play with these websites. They also have few basically the good brief which are really free, right? Another website is Sharpen Dart Design. The Sharpen Dart Design is a design prompting platform. They basically create few prompts related to platforms, so you can like log and then design a Taos page. Right from here, you have to choose the category. So I'll be going with product and UI UX design, product and UX obviously, and then I'm sticking to digital product, not physical product or not experimental product, right? And then I'll click on new challenge. So they have created few created a prompt which is design an open source icon set for Intel, right? So keep in mind you have to create like now icon set, but I don't want to create icon set. I want to create like a website or mobile. So I'll click on again on the new challenge. So design a promotional website for a school in Australia, right? So in case if you have liked the website prompt, then you can lock it. And then for this one, it will change the one, right? Like for startup in France. And in case if you like this one, but not this one, then you can click on like again the new challenge and it will repeat design a website wireframe for a startup in France, right? So that's how basically you can use Sharpen as well to create a prompt or maybe an idea or a brief, right? And then you can copy this again, exactly the same prompt or same requirements into the chat GPT, ask it to create a PRD and it will like give you a complete details document where from you can start your portfolio building as well. The another one of the best platform that I really used while in my learning days is Daily UI, right? They basically like claim that you can become a better designer in 100 days, and really you are if you keep like practicing this one. So what they do, they basically send you a regular email, as I can show you here, like they Daily UI. Any day you can check like right here if 90 days challenge. I like pick the 90 days challenge, and what they have given me like a prompt related to advertisement and then this brief as well. So I have to design the advertisement. And if you want to check like daily UI, that again on internet that how peoples are doing, you can just go here and place 98. So it will give you the idea that how peoples are using to build that build their portfolio to present on their social media platform and also on their freelance marketplaces and to the clients as well, right? So these are the websites which can really help you to start your design practices regularly. You can practice each of them, any of them on any day, right? And it will help you to build your portfolio as well. And one more thing, I made like few apps and website ideas here in the Google Sheet as well. So I have written few name of apps and website, right? Then the description as well, that what actually these websites or app do, and then what is their category and what is their subcategory as well. So you can get this Google Sheet as well. I'm not going to ask you to take a screenshot right here. So how you can get the link, you have to subscribe my YouTube channel and then you have to comment done, and I'll be sending you a link as well, or maybe you can just drop me an email. Probably my email is in the description, so just subscribe YouTube channel, comment done, and email me. So I'll be sending you this Google Sheets UX UI design ideas as well. Till then, next video, take care of yourself and see you very soon. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.